Okay, students, good morning to all of you. Right, today I will ask some question and they will reply in English. Also, I will ask in Hindi and they will tell in English. What's your name?
My name is Divya Chandra.
Do you know what is helping verb of present simple tense?
Do
Does. Very good. Okay, मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. इस पीछे सेंटेंस बोलो.
I play cricket. I don't play cricket. Do I play cricket? Don't I play cricket? Why do I play cricket? Why don't I play?
Okay, right. इसी को पास्ट सिंपल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे आप? मैंने क्रिकेट खेला था. I played cricket.
I played cricket.
I didn't
play cricket.
हाँ.
Did I play cricket? Didn't I play cricket? Why did I play cricket? Why didn't I play?
Okay, English class. Do you study?
Yes,
I study.
I study.
11th, I think 12th class, na?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play.
Do you play hockey?
Yes, I play.
Okay, are you hockey player?
Yes, I am hockey player.
Yeah, yes, I'm hockey player. Okay, please take your seat, Anand. Come, take your seat. Come here, please. Okay, Anand, tell me, what do you want to become in the future?
I want to become good motivational speaker in the future.
Okay, right. And which color do you like most?
Yellow.
I like yellow color. Oh, just you wear yellow also, na? Okay, speak all the helping verbs of tense.
Do, that, did, will, aim, either, was, were, will be, have, has, said, will, have been, had been, had to, will, have.
That's the good side. Yeah, okay. One more time. This is speak. Do does did हाँ.
Do, that, did, will, aim, either, was, were, will be, have, has, said, will, have been, had to, will, have.
एक सेंटेंस दे रहा हूँ मैं उससे आप 12 टेंस पे कन्वर्ट कीजिए जैसे कि मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता हूँ
I speak English.
हाँ मैं अंग्रेजी बोला था
I spoke English.
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलूंगा
I will speak English.
ठीक है मैं अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ
I am speaking English.
बोल रहा था
I was speaking English.
बोल रहा होगा
I will be speaking English.
बोल चुका हूँ
I have speak English.
I have spoken English बोल चुका था
I had spoken English.
बोल चुका होगा
I will have spoken English.
ठीक है मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ
I am playing.
I have been
I
playing
have been playing cricket since morning.
ठीक है सुबह से खेल रहा था
I had been playing since
I had been playing since morning और सुबह से खेल रहा होगा
I will have been playing since morning.
Okay, very good. Please take your seat. You also come. Avina, and just you all ask some topic to you also. Yeah, okay, please. Speak all the helping. What's your name?
My name is Nita.
Nita. Nita, speak all the helping verbs.
Do that.
Please stay here. Yeah. Okay, speak.
Do that. Did, will, and was, will be, will be,
हाँ.
will be.
Do does did will Amazon was will be have has had will have been has been had been and will have been. Okay. English मेरे द्वारा बोली जाती है. इसकी 6 सेंटेंस.
English मेरे द्वारा बोली
मैं एक ही सेंटेंस बोल बस हाँ.
English is spoken by me.
बोली गई थी
English was spoken by me.
और अंग्रेजी मेरे द्वारा बोली जाएगी.
English will be spoken by me.
Okay, English is spoken by me. English was spoken by me. English will be spoken by me. Present continuous की वॉइस में अंग्रेजी मेरे द्वारा बोली जा रही है तो
English is spoken by me.
English is being
Spoken by me.
हाँ और बोली जा रही थी.
English was being spoken by me.
Very good. Present perfect. English मेरे द्वारा बोली जा चुकी है.
English
Has been
English has been spoken by me.
बोली जा चुकी थी.
English has been spoken by me.
बोली जा चुकी होगी.
English will be spoken by me.
Very good. Please take your seat. Ruby. Come fast. Come fast. Come fast. Come fast. Okay. First of all, speak all the helping verbs of tense.
Do that statement as a sub also really has been now having has been
Had been and will have been. Okay, very good. करवट. आपका नाम क्या है?
What is your name?
कहाँ रहते हो?
Where?
आप कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ते हो?
In which class you
आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो?
In which school you study?
ठीक है मैं MGM स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ.
I'm studying in MGM.
Not I am. I study
I
in
study
MGM स्कूल.
in MGM.
आप क्या बनना चाहते हो?
What do you want to become?
मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता
I
हूँ.
want to become doctor.
आप डॉक्टर क्यों बनना चाहते
Why
हो?
do you want to become a doctor?
क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me?
नहीं मैं आपको नहीं जानता.
No, I don't
तुम
know you.
तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं जानते?
Why don't you know me?
आपको मुझे जानना चाहिए.
You should know me.
आपको खेलना चाहिए.
You should play.
आपको अंग्रेजी सीखनी
You
चाहिए.
should learn English.
आपको स्टार्स फॉर इंग्लिश क्लास जाना चाहिए.
You should go to start spoken English class.
आपको हिंदी में बात नहीं करनी चाहिए.
You should not speak English.
हिंदी या टॉकिंग हिंदी. ओके मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ. I try to.
I tried to speak in English.
तुम कल आए थे.
You
Came
came
yesterday. क्या तुम कल आओगे?
Will you come?
क्या तुम लिख रहे हो?
You. Are you writing?
या क्या तुम नहीं लिख रहे हो?
Aren't you writing?
तुम क्यों लिख रहे हो?
Why are you writing?
तुम क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हो?
Why aren't you writing?
मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ।
And I am telling
तुम
you.
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
वह कहाँ जा रही है?
Where she's going?
Where is she going?
Where is she going?
तुम क्या कर रहे थे?
What are you?
What were you?
What were you doing?
ठीक है, मैं सोच रहा था,
I was
मैं
thinking.
खेल रहा था।
I was
तुम
thinking.
किसके साथ मोती गार्डन जा रहे थे?
With whom were you going?
जो
To Motigal.
ओके, मैं आ रहा हूँगा।
I will be coming.
पक्षी उड़ रहे होंगे। Bird
Birds will be
will
flying.
flying. ओके, वह पास हो चुकी है।
She have passed.
She has
She has
passed.
passed.
वह
She has
फेल
passed.
हो चुका है।
He has
फेल।
failed.
मैं अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ।
I have completed
Did
my
my-
graduation.
ओके, क्या तुम खा चुके हो?
Have you eaten?
तुम क्या कर चुके हो अभी तक? या
तुम क्या कर चुके हो?
अभी तक
What
have you
have you done till now?
now? Very good. मैं आ चुका था।
I have come.
I had
I had come.
वह जा चुकी थी।
She had gone.
She had gone. ओके, मैं लिख चुका होगा।
I will have written.
ओके, मैं पत्र लिख चुका होगा।
I will have written letter.
मैं 10 मिनट से बोल रहा हूँ।
मैं 10 मिनट से बोल रही हूँ।
Yes, I have been.
I have been speaking for 10.
I have been speaking for 10 years. ठीक है?
10
वह
minutes.
ओके, सॉरी 10 मिनट्स। वह 10 सालों से बालाघाट में रह रहा था।
Where are you?
Yes,
He had been living in Balaghat since 10 years.
for 10 years.
Sorry.
He had been living
Sorry.
in बालाघाट for 10 years. ठीक है? वह सोमवार से आ रही होगी।
She
Wow.
will have come in.
Been-
She will have been coming
हाँ,
since Monday.
मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ।
I can do anything.
क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak to English?
तुम क्या कर सकते हो?
What can you do?
What can you do? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ?
May I come?
क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ?
May I
क्या
sit?
मैं आपका मोबाइल नंबर ले सकता हूँ?
May I take your mobile number?
क्या मैं आपकी बाइक ले सकता हूँ?
May I take?
क्या मैं आपको टच कर सकता हूँ?
May I touch you?
क्या मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ?
Can I speak?
May I speak English?
May I speak English?
या वेरी गुड। आपको जाना चाहिए,
You should go.
आपको आना चाहिए।
You should come.
ओके, मैं पढ़ा सकता था।
I can. I could teach.
ओके, आई कुड टीच। मैं समय पे आ सकता था।
I could come on time.
I could come on time. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Subinesh.
Ruby, Ruby, now tell me, just I want to know one thing is that what is the value of English language in your life?
In my
Yeah, student life, not your life. What is the value of a student? What is the value of English in student life? Please speak. Well, you know very well that, na?
sir.
She doesn't come. Yeah, you also look at there also on the stage. I speak, please. Please.
English language.
Yeah.
It is very important for everyone because it is not a national language. It is international language. It is used in every area and every sector. We know very well that, and we should learn English language, and we should speak English language. If we go another place, so Hindi is not spoken by them. Other people, so it is very helpful for communication because every area this language used,
Okay.
and it is okay.
Can you compare this? I want to know one thing is that according to you, I want to know jobs. Okay, means what do you think about the government and private job? Please explain about that. Okay.
Government and private job.
Yeah, government and private job. Which job do you like and which job is safe?
Sir,
Yeah, both job is safe also, but it's depend on you know very well that okay, what is the value of a government job? What is the value of government job? Just speak about the government job. Okay.
government job.
Yeah.
Sir, government job is very good, which provide us government, and everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone like to get.
Everyone like to get a government job
job.
because it is. Everyone said that it is a safe
Job.
job,
हाँ.
like permanent job.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks like that. If we get government job, so our future is settled.
हाँ. Our future is bright. We
Right.
people say that. Yeah.
And
They.
every people they give respect to us.
Yeah, many people just they give respect to government servant also, and there is no value of private servant.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me, would you like to become private servant or government servant?
So I would like to become government.
Sure, government servant.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, okay, take your seat. Thank you so much. Abhinav, also come. Yes. First of all, tell me how are you? How are you?
Sir, I think I'm very good.
Very good. And you know, when you come to class, so means you know that we feel better also here. So you also tell me same questions for you. Both if which job is best, government or private? Because you know very well that nowadays maximum students who belong to urban area and rural area. Just they wanna try to get government job. There are less vacancies, even they try to get government job. So according to you now, maybe job is best and safe also.
Yes, sir.
They just have to compare also.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I think both job are best because in their way.
Huh?
Because it depends only if I will talk about private job.
Private job.
I think in private job, if you have higher skill, I think no one can beat you.
Okay.
In a private job,
Hmm.
it depends on if you have demand, skills demand. So I think definitely, sir, honor will take you,
Huh.
and honor will come to your home and he will take you
Okay.
because it depends on the skills.
Hmm.
It doesn't matter if you are in a private job or you are in government job.
Government job.
If you have skills, so I think you will do better in each and every field. But sir, maximum students and maximum aspirants they want to become a government servant. I don't know why, but sir, they don't follow skills because what is the value of the skills? If they know, so I think they don't think we need only government job.
Okay. But you know very well that na school student they don't learn what skills also.
Yeah.
Which type of skill are we talking? Is manual something?
Just like sir, it depends only you. If you want to travel, so I think you must have communication skills first.
Okay.
Second is traveling skills also.
Huh?
Because I think how to talk and how to behave, it shows your behavior. Because without communication skills, you can't visit anywhere.
Huh.
Because I think for moving next person, for increasing our what one of words I couldn't
You
speak.
can talk in Hindi also. Which
Yeah.
word is that?
Sir, जिससे बढ़ावा मिलता है.
Okay. ठीक है. You can. हाँ.
So I think it depends only skills are just like if you have higher skill, just like
हाँ.
communication,
Okay.
saving skills.
Okay.
If you are in a marketing field.
But maximum student from where can they learn? You know, like suppose there are state student.
Yeah.
So how can they learn? Government should do some. Government should do something for government school also because there are so many students and they don't learn. Actually, they don't know from where we should get that skills.
And yeah, sir, maximum students they are unskilled.
Huh.
And you know, sir, and many students they learn from their side. They
Okay.
don't learn from school because school don't teach skills.
Okay.
School only teaches how to read and how to get.
So doesn't teach some other skills also, but just they teach subjective and they okay, right.
But sir, safety, if I talk about safety, so I think each and everyone wants to become government servant because there is a safety. Because I think, but nowadays I think there is also no safety.
Okay, but you know very well that during Corona, government servant was sacked, but private servant, you know, they
were not sacked.
They were not sacked because you know during Corona, they all the private servant is they left their job also.
They were facing.
They were facing. But government servant they were getting salary per month also.
Yeah.
Right. That's why government is safe. Because in that condition, government is safe. But businessman, you know, there is no fixed salary.
Yes, sir.
For businessmen,
Yes.
they earn a lot of money also.
Yeah.
Okay. And so now tell me, you want to become a government servant or private servant?
Sir, I think I don't want to become any servant. I want to provide jobs.
Jobs to
Yeah.
other people.
Other
Means
people.
I want to become honor.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to become honor.
Yes, sir.
Just like you, like
But sir, for becoming an honor, because I don't have backup,
Yeah.
a big backup. So first I have to become a servant also.
Okay.
Then I will become.
Right. First of all, you will have to learn.
Yeah.
Then you will be
increase and I will become an honor, then I will keep a servants, I will provide jobs to
Okay,
all
very
of them.
good. So you know, some students are watching this video. So what do you think about the stars for English class? Because some students are new students, they are watching also, and they have patience, but they fear to speak English. So just to give them advice. What do you want? Yes,
So, if you wanna become a best English speaker, and if you have madness, and you are watching us, so I think as you can see, we are speaking. And if you are from any village, I don't know which village from you. If you are reading Balaghat city, so I think you must search Stars Pro in this class in our YouTube channel. There is a one YouTube channel of myself,
Okay.
Stars Pro in this class, Balaghat. So I think in this class you will find best conversation batches for becoming best English speaker. You know what? For becoming a best English speaker, you need you can learn YouTube from structures, yeah, tenses, voices, but you need best conversation
Which you can find in the class.
in this
Yeah.
class. And I think if I talk about my Mr. Vasni sir, so I think he is a very good teacher as far as I meet, because he's not a teacher but also he's a guider also, because I think he helps to students in every condition. If any student he is in a trouble, so I think he come out from sir takes him from trouble.
And there is no matter from where are you, if you are a student, if you are a college student, if you are IT student, if you are medical student, if you are engineering student, if you are housewife, if you are private servant, you are government servant, so there is no problem. You can join this class, there is no age limit.
Yes sir.
Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you so
And
much.
take care of yourself.